I'm going to go try on all of these early 1900 dresses, most of them from the 1930s. Hi everybody, my name is Julie Montague if you're new to my channel, sometimes otherwise known as Viscountess Hinchingbrook, and I'm here today not only in what we call the West Room, one of the oldest rooms here at Mapperton, so it's a part of the Tudor part of the house, so dates back to the mid 1500s, but also I'm wearing a very early 1900s dress, so very early 1900s. I do love to collect dresses, if you like, or any type of vintage clothes around that period. So between early 1900s and 1930s, those are the dresses, the frocks that I absolutely love to collect, probably a little bit because of my love of Downton Abbey, number one, but also because I did marry into the British aristocracy and their history goes back nearly 400 years. So I'm very, very interested in again, that time period as well. There's another reason I'm interested in it as well, and I'm going to tell you about that a little bit later, about another ancestor of my husband's who really, really fascinates me. But I'm going to go try on all of these early 1900 dresses, most of them from the 1930s. This is my newest find. It's a fantastic, fantastic coat that can go over really any of these dresses that I wear. And if you've ever been to England, it's usually very, very damp here, wet here, rainy here, cold here, even in the summer. So I'm gonna go start to try on, let's see, the first dress. I think I'll just try on this first dress and I'll be right back. Dress number 2 out of 5. This is sort of late 1930s, and you can really tell because the hem starts to, in one sense, go up a little bit higher, and then you've got the 40s, and then the 50s, and then of course the mini skirts of the 60s. So this is late 1930s. It is in some massive need of repair. I mean, it's beautiful silk, and I will be repairing this rather soon. But I do love this little bow right up here. I think it's very sweet and fitting. Now, I'm holding here, once I get to dress number 5, I'm going to open up a few gifts that one of you, Fee, you sent me, who follows me on my YouTube channel here, some vintage gifts, because she knows how much, in fact, many of you know how much I love antique shops. I love vintage shops. My house in Italy, I'm always at the flea markets and the antiques, and I can kind of see already, not to give it away, some clothespins there. So I'll be right back with dress number 3. Number 3, this is one of my favorite dresses, I have to say, of the 1930s. So there's a slip underneath. Of course, they always wore slips. It's this wonderful, amazing, I'm just gonna give it a little turnaround, 1930s, beautiful, bright, flowery, floral, I should say. Spring, summer, be great for a tea party. So this is, again, one of my favorite dresses, and actually, it's in not very much need of repair. So that's number 3. Let's get ready for number 4. Dress number 4, again, 1930s, definitely one of my favorites, but one that I bought knowing that I would have to really repair this one. So you can already see the silk has been ripped in various places. This will need some serious repair, but I do love the way that it falls. And again, it's lovely, bright, floral. It'd be fantastic. I'm certain that whoever wore this in the 1930s would have worn this definitely for a tea party, and most likely with a hat as well. So I'll give it a little bit of a twirl here so you can see, though it does need some repair. So this is about to head off to the seamstress and to the tailor, and to have the entire dress repaired. So once they're repaired, I will show you what it looks like when it's repaired. I'm coming up to the last look. It's one of my favorite looks, and in that look, I'm going to be opening up these gifts that Fee sent me. Be right back. Ta-da! The final look is not just this fantastic 1930s long velvet coat with the most extraordinary, beautiful buttons here, velvet buttons. You can see it goes all the way down. There is one that is missing sort of the top of it, so there was a little repair done there, but overall, this is one of my favorite finds. I love the way that the sleeves sort of bell up here, and you're gonna see that the dress I have underneath as well has the same sleeves. So I would arrive and I will undo the buttons here. I'd arrive to my lovely evening dinner party. And so I'm unveiling, ta-da, this fantastic 1930s dress. Again, the sleeves, you can see it's from the same era, are the exact same sleeves that are on the coat. Again, beautiful bodice here, fantastic velvet skirt. Give it a little twirl, so a little twirl there. And I'm ready for my evening party. But before I sign off, of course, I want to open up these gifts that the wonderful Fee sent me. So if any of you have watched my videos on my Italian house, my small, cute little house in Northwest Tuscany, you would see that I'm in the middle of renovating it. So Fee has written, these are some genuine dolly pegs for your new holiday home. Many of you who have watched those videos would have seen me every time I'm there, I hang my laundry, usually the wrong way. And many of you have given me so many wonderful tips on how to hang my laundry, and I've really taken them on board. But I'm definitely gonna bring these lovely dolly pegs to Italy. So Fee, thank you for this gift. These will be brought to Italy, and I will 100% use them. Fantastic. She found them in an antique shop in Yorkshire. So she has found all these fantastic, oh my goodness, Fiona, this is fantastic. Look at all of these brilliant pieces. I thought this would go nice with your dress if it fits. You can never have too many strings of pearls. This one's new, but I thought you'd like it. It'd be interesting to see how you wear it and what it does. Who doesn't love a string of pearls? I mean, absolutely wonderful all around. So I'll drape these on right now. I think this looks absolutely fantastic. What do you guys think? Do comment down below. Wonderful. There is even, it looks like, let's open this up quickly. There looks like there is a matching pearl bracelet. So a matching pearl bracelet, wonderful. And oh, I could just go through this forever. And then there's one more I'm going to do, but this one's a lovely piece as well and would go fantastic with the dress that I'm wearing right now. So let me just undo this. Oh, look, this one's a beauty. This one, let me get that ready for you, Stephen. This one is a beauty. I mean, that would just look great with this dress as well. So we'll put this one on as two. I wouldn't wear the pearls and this at the same time, but it is nice wearing them right now. So I'll just hook this on quickly, or maybe not quickly. Yep, that was pretty quick for me. So there we go, looks great with the dress. And then the last one is, I saw this, I thought of you. I know that you like vintage clothes. I hope it fits. Brilliant. Well, I hope it does too, and I'm sure it will. Oh, it's fantastic. Look at this. Oh, it is just lovely, perfect for an English summer. In fact, I might even wear it today. Look at how fantastic this dress is. Fee, it will definitely fit. So again, thank you, Fee, and thank you to all of you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed this video, please definitely like it as well. Any comments down below, much appreciated. And I'd love to hear what favorite era is your favorite era as far as clothing goes. You know mine is the 1930s, but what is your favorite era for wonderful fashion? Bye everybody.